In this video, we'll be learning about factorials. Now, this is a very important topic. We'll be using this later on in permutation and combination. So I thought it would be really good to dedicate one whole video only for factorials. So what exactly factorial is? When you're given a number, say 4, and you're asked to find its factorial. So this exclamation mark, this is the symbol of factorial. There is actual people use another symbol. It's like this. They write 4 inside, and this itself is called as 4 factorial. But we'll be using this one. This one seems much more pretty. So what you're going to do while finding 4 factorial is you write the given number, and you go on multiplying with its preceding integers until you get to 1. So 4 factorial will be 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So that is going to be 3 to the 6, 4 is 24. So 24 is 4 factorial. If you're given 6 factorial, it's going to be the same way. So you begin with 6 and multiply with its preceding number until you get to 1. So it is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So it is there is a multiplication sign here. It's equal to 720. Now, one thing that we need to remember here while finding factorial is I said that any given number, you have to keep multiplying it by its preceding number until you get to 1. So 1 factorial will be equal to 1, and the other one is 0 factorial. Now, you just got to remember for this video that 0 factorial is equals to 1. So just remember it. I have one whole video dedicated to how 0 factorial is 1. The link will be in the description. If you want to find that proof, know how 0 factorial is equal to 1, please follow the link. It will take you to my next video. Just for now, we need to remember that 0 factorial is 1. Let us now do some examples which involves binary operations. So consider 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial. Okay, so this might seem pretty tedious if you go with a conventional way, like if you just go on multiplying 5 into 4 and 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 3 into 2 into 1, and then cancel these off and write 5 4s are 20. Now this is a really long way. Now there's another way of looking at this problem. You see that, just remove these. You see that 3 into 2 into 1, this guy over here is same as 3 factorial, right? 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. So instead of writing it this way, what we can do here is 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. So we just stop it there. Okay, and in the denominator we have 3 factorial, so these get cancelled and 5 4s are 20. You'll save a lot of time writing these extra numbers here. By the way, there is a multiplication sign here. I always forget to write that. Damn it. So as I was saying, if you write it in this way, you'll save a lot of time writing these extra numbers, so you can just go with it. Now let us solve some more examples. Now let us take 91 factorial divided by 89 factorial. See, these are real big numbers. We can use the shortcut method that I told you. So 91 into 90 into 89. We know that after 89 it will be 89 into 88, which is same as 89 factorial. So you just keep it that way, and in the denominator we have 89 factorial. These will get cancelled. Now all you gotta do is multiply this, so it will be 8190. So this is our final answer. You see how easily we can do these calculations once we know this method. So let us take our next example. So let us do 52 factorial divided by 49 factorial. This is same as 52 into 51 into 50 into 49 into and so on. We know that 49 into these things up till 1, and this term is same as 49 factorial. So instead of writing all these things, we can simply write 49 factorial and in the denominator we have 49 factorial as well. We cancel them off and we multiply the rest of the terms to get our final answer. So our final answer is 132600. So I used a calculator to do this. If you can do this without using a calculator, that will be super, but I just use a calculator for this video.